We're going to use a Discovery 5 for this little test. Find the OBD2 port. The car doesn't need to be running, but you need the check engine light is off. Hello, my Rover friends, and welcome to the Lucky8 channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this magic tool, the GAP tool. I'm sure you've heard about it if you own a Land Rover, especially a modern one. It is a diagnostic tool. I'm going to show you how to plug it in, check for codes, clear codes, take the information that you saw from the codes and kind of diagnose the problem. We're going to use a Discovery 5 for this little test. Cue the intro. I'm going to hop in the car. First thing you need to do is find the OBD2 port. It's right about here. I'll bring the camera in so you can see exactly where it is. It's right behind this piece of plastic. There you go, you can see it. It's got a little cutout shaped just like the GAP tool, only fits in one way. Boom, GAP tool is plugged in and the light is flashing, letting us know it's ready. Okay, with the tool plugged in, we want to turn the ignition on. The car doesn't need to be running, but you need the ignition on in order to activate the tool. Go into your device, find the GAP Diagnostic Tools app, connect to the tool, and we're going to wait for it to load. All right, now that it's loaded, top one is false. Let's read the faults. We want to know why we got a check engine light. Let's see what it says. This particular car's got a few codes here and there, but we are only interested in the powertrain fault. That is what gives you the check engine light. There you go, easy peasy. Heater control circuit, bank 2, sensor 3. We'll dig into that in a little bit, but at the bottom, you can clear the code, so we're gonna clear it. All right, now, code is gone. Let's hit the little recirculation button, not the recirculation, the redo button at the bottom. Let's see if the code comes back up. It does not. We're gonna start the car. Check engine light is off. All right, I know this check engine light's gonna come back on because I've already played this game. What you can do with that information is search the web and find out what the code is related to. This one's super easy because it's an O2 sensor. So look for an O2 sensor video in the very near future and be sure to follow.